Alright, y'all, so today's goal is to I heard there's a white-tailed kite somewhere in this region, and that is today's goal, is to find and film the kite. Of course, I'm also gonna, it's in the area where the kingfisher the kingfisher usually hangs out, so I'm going to obviously try to find the kingfisher as well today, and whatever other interesting things happen, I'm gonna go set up in that area. Alright, so I've been walking around for a little bit, kind of hanging around the area where the kite's supposed to be. Like I said, it hasn't been spotted in about 2 days, so I haven't seen it yet, but I did see the kingfisher, so I'm gonna go hang out with the kingfisher for a little bit. I bet, we've missed each other, so I'll go hang out with the kingfisher for a little bit, see what else I spot in that area. Alright, y'all, so I'm out here filming the cormorants and the herons, the night heron, and the most incredible thing just happened. A great blue heron just snuck up just now underneath the night heron. So I'm here, I'm going to be watching to see what happens. Obviously, it's here to look for fish. It doesn't come here otherwise, well, maybe to sunbathe. Some of them do sunbathe, like this cormorant and the heron, but we're gonna see what happens. Oh my god, you guys will not believe it. I am filming it right now. It just grabbed fish and dashed over there, and it is pounding on that fish, like stabbing it. I'm debating, should I stay here or should I continue filming from afar, because you never know, if I go over there and it sees me, it might grab the fish and run, and then I get nothing. Well, I've gotten something, so decision, what should I do? You know what, I'm gonna make a run for it. Alright, so I am very happy that I brought my buggy today. Oh jeez, oh my god. I need a breath before it swallows the fish. Oh, jeez. Alright, I'm gonna set up. Almost there. Oh, shoot. Alright. By the way, if you love herons as much as I do have some heron photography artworks available for purchase on my website. Selling prints is one of the ways I am able to keep my wildlife dreams alive. Thanks for your support. So I'm here. It's right there. I don't want to miss a beat. They're still standing there, like trying to figure out how to swallow this big fish. It's one of the plecos. It's like has like the sharp edges, so it's hard to swallow. So, oh Lord, This is really incredible footage. This is probably one of the best footage I have gotten since forever, because again, to catch fish, I'm so tired. To catch fish is one thing, but to catch a huge fish and you're there, not just you're there, you're standing there with your camera rolling and you catch this moment, man, it is incredible. Like, oh my god, I'm just gonna let you watch the video because yeah, like, that was exciting. All right, y'all, that's it. My day has been made by a great blue heron. We started out looking for a kite, and the heron shocked me. I'm so happy right now. I'm just gonna, yeah, all right, bye. Oh my god.